How do you explain breach of law? How do you explain breach of law? And it is saying that the cabinet secretary will only submit a report. He's not even seeking approval of the National Assembly. I don't know whether there is any democracy in the world where debt ceiling is set by executive alone. So these guys are running away from accountability. They want to subject, I think they just want to destroy the economy of this country. Otherwise, they would not bring such amendment to the floor of the House. Otherwise, Chairman, thank you so much.
Well done. Two other big items. DG Karogo on the housing levy, the tax tribunal, and my colleague and I will speak about the general impacts. Two things to keep in mind about this cheeky amendment to the PFM. Look, there are some things that are presented that are mirage. One of them is this idea that, debt to GDP and taxation to GDP. We know that some of our external friends say that we should move tax to GDP from 17% to 22%. It's a mirage because you are not taking into account the composition of the GDP. So it's an okay idea to give you a general reference, but you cannot be dogmatic about it. If GDP